Who is Howard Baltus? An American who loves life here in Mexico. I juggle a lot of different things. I have a business in the United States. It's actually a global business. We design, create, code websites. We also do e-marketing. Here, we have a small company that's a real estate company and property management company. On top of that, I'm also a professional musician and magician. My bills from CFE became outrageous. The bills started to get to a crazy dollar amount. We said, let's look into solar panels. It was something we thought about before, but actually thought about it a lot more seriously after the increase in our monthly bills. I knew the name for a year from reading things on online groups, but we interviewed 5 different companies. Out of the 5 companies, you guys were at the top of the list the entire time. It was for customer service. Your prices were good too, but the thing I care about most when I work with companies is their customer ethics. And if they're customer-centric, which you guys are all about the customer. When you say you're going to be here at 10 in the morning, you're here at 10 in the morning. Everybody in your crew, from the guys that did the installation, to the supervisor of the installation, to my sales rep, to everybody I've dealt with there, has been extremely incredible. You guys made everything really easy. There were no problems with anything. Everything went completely smoothly. The new panel in our pantry behind the kitchen, the installation, no problems. I didn't even know it was being done. You guys were so quick about it. But everything right up until this moment has been nothing but perfection. Yeah, if you guys want a recommendation about an amazing company that can do installs for your solar panels that will save you in the end of the day, mucho dinero, ask me, seriously. Get with me and I'll tell you everything about these guys. They're wonderful.